Here I've labelled this as a red question because it's quite a bit to understand here. But if you use a calculator, it's not too difficult. So the first thing, we've got a curve. We've got another curve here, but it starts with x equals y squared minus 3. Now, it's a calculator question, so I want to put this into my calculator. So I want to take this curve here and rearrange it. So I'm going to make that y equal to x plus 3, and then square root that. So I'm going to put that into my calculator, and I'm also going to put this in. And really just to have an idea exactly what's going on first of all, and then to see where I'm going to go with this question. So let's get my calculator up. And I've to save a bit of time, I've already put those two in, and I'm going to draw it. So the blue one was the first one. The blue one is this one here, and the red one is the one underneath. It's x plus 3 square rooted. It looks like a straight line, but it's actually curved slightly, and they intersect here. So this tiny area here is what I'm looking for. So first of all, if I do GSolve and I look for the intersect point, I find the intersection is 0.504. So let me just jot that down, 0.504. Now what I want to do is I'm actually going to say what I'm looking for is 2 minus x cubed. That was the bigger one, the one that came on top, dx. Now, although I'm using a calculator for all of this, I'm going to write all this down to get some marks. And then I want to take away the other one. And the intersection point again is 0.504 and a 0. And this time I'm trying to integrate x plus 3 square rooted. Now it's the time to get my calculator out. Okay, so I have all that written down so that I can get some answers. So now I'm going to go to my calculator. And again, to save a little bit of time, if I go into the menu and into the number 1, the run menu, what I've done is I've already written out that first part there. Okay, so this one here is written here. I'm just going to press execute, and that gives me 0.99186. Let's just make sure that that's correct. 2 minus x cubed. Yep, okay. There are my limits. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to do that on the calculator. So if you can either press math or you can press option. Press option and go to F4, which is calc. F4 again, and I've got this integration sign. Now I'm going to type in the second one, which is x plus 3. And it wants me to put in the limits as I press with the arrows here, 0.504. And here we've got 0.908. So the first one, 2 minus x cubed, this one here, and the second one is this. So now I can just see that I'm going to go to 0.18689. I'll do a couple of places more than I need, and 865. So it's going to give me 0.832. 0.0832. And that'll be enough for the 7 marks. So looking for this intersection point, the fact you can rearrange it, and the fact that you write everything out like this.